Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to look how to make a basic elimination system. Let us first of all create a new diffuse scene, erase the ground and turn on the grid. Now first we are going to decide how many marbles are going to be saved and how many marbles are going to be eliminated. In this example I am going to use 8 marbles. 7 marbles are going to be saved and 1 marble is going to be eliminated. So first of all let me take this 8 marbles. Since one marble is going to get eliminated, I am going to remove this one marble here. Now we are going to keep these marbles one below the other like this. Now after that what we are going to do is, so we are going to keep some rectangles around these marbles to put these marbles in. This save the marbles. After putting these rectangles, we are going to select all of these rectangles, right click it, go to appearance and put it as black, and we are going to go to geometry actions and put glue to background. Since there is going to be an eliminated marble, we are going to create a separate section. We can select both of these rectangles, go to appearance, put it as black and go to geometry actions and put glue to background. Now this basic elimination system will be ready. To show how it will work, now before I show how it will work, we can first put in the components. Just select these, go to open the components and put this here. Put basic elimination system. Okay. uh, Now what we are going to do is see how it works. So we are going to keep like a very basic marble base for this example. So first of all let us put this rotator, take a rotator, and we'll take this sorter too. We're going to give this sorter above this. Now we want this sorted like a bit above for this eliminated marbles to go. We'll keep it like here. Now we are going to join these things using a brush. You can remove the grid, and now if you are wondering how I am making straight lines using the brush, it's very easy. While you are making this line, you can just have to hold shift button. See, you can create straight lines like this. Now we are going to create another line like this. Since we want one marble to get eliminated, I am going to keep the separate space. Now I am going to keep this rotator here. Again go use brush this side. Okay, here I am going to like surround it here. Oops. Oops. Like we don't want to like join these things together. I guess this ring will get damaged for some reason. That's like a problem with algodoo. We'll just keep it near and join these using rectangles or just a polygon tool. Let's put T. Then we are going to keep another marble because we don't want the marbles to fall off. Okay, we are going to select all of these, right click it, go to appearance, put it as black, go to geometry actions and put glue to background. Now to start this marble race, we want this this rotator to get destroyed, like after we press a specific button. So what we are going to do is we are going to press this stick, this its axle and this ring, right click this and go to controller. There you will see something called destroy key. You can use one or any other key. So what will happen is if you press that key, this thing is going, these things are going to get destroyed. Okay, let us put these marbles here. press 1. It's working. Now you might see this problem in this it's a system of elimination, that is this one marble will not go out. What you can do is you can create a small cutting, or you can use the advanced elimination system, which I will be uploading the next week. In this the next elimination system, what we're going to use is we are going to use teleporters, so that the marbles get teleported off to a separate space specifically, like so that this confusion doesn't occur. And more advanced, which will also show the name of these marbles, and also like accurate, so that like this one marble won't stay here like just like that. And that's it. We have successfully made a basic elimination system. You can just like my video and share this video. You can also subscribe to my channel, and you can go to my other channel called the algodoo channel, where I will be uploading videos after completing this tutorial series. And that's it. We have completed making this basic elimination system. Tata, bye bye.